Here I am again with you and with Ocado, showing some favourites of mine, Swedish pancakes with blueberries. Much as I love trad pancake day pancakes, you know, when they've just got crunchy granulated sugar and sharp lemon, I have a real soft spot for Swedish pancakes. I mean, the Swedes do as well, because they eat them once a week. Very wise. But here, special for pancake day, couple of eggs, put in the milk, bung it all in. I just want the egg and milk to mix in smoothly, and they have. If you do sift the flour, it just helps it absorb better and less lumpily. Salt and sugar. You need it fairly salty, this. It's how they do it in Sweden, and I obey because they taste wonderful. It's better to have a few lumps than overwork it, like muffins. Let's just get this bit in. I shall add a little bit of butter. Fantastic. Now, to cook the pancakes, very lightly grease the pancake pan. There's an old saying to the effect that the first pancake is always botched. Be prepared for things not to go smoothly in the first instance. So I'll do this for a minute. I think we're ready to flip. 30 seconds this way. Right, and this is how I get the pancake out of the pan. That sort of smaller amount of flour and the 2 eggs in the batter give them a wonderful softness. Now that is what I want exactly. And now just to fill them. Got my lovely Ocado blueberries here. I'm going to tip them into a shallow little pan and some blueberry spread and a fairly modest amount of butter. Not that modest. While I wait, take one of these beautiful lacy edge pancakes and a bit more spread. I'm going to give this a very gentle stir with a wooden spoon. I don't want to break the berries. Right. So first, I'm going to bring them in each side. I have a very special secret ingredient that I feel these pancakes not only require but deserve. A little bit of squirty cream. Just a few of these beautiful blueberries on top. And toasted flaked almonds, as the Swedes would say. Fantastisk! You can find this recipe exclusively on Ocado.com. Yum. Happy Pancake Day.